Noun is infant. Answer common. Identify the correct spelling. Equilibrium. I will do it tomorrow. এ বাক্যে tomorrow কোন parts of speech? Answer adverb. Sapling শব্দের অর্থ কি? Answer চারাগাছ. Which sentence is correct? Answer he need to go. Call name indicates rebooking. He was blessed by a blacksmith. Which sentence is correct? One of my friends is sick. Rudimentary শব্দটির অর্থ কি? Answer প্রাথমিক. An adverb does not modify noun. The synonym of outset is beginning. Proletariat শব্দটির বাংলা অর্থ কি? Answer সর্বহারা. Indefinite pronoun এর উদাহরণ কোনটি? Several. Time after twilight and before night means dusk. The poet of beauty is John Keats. Bangladesh was liberated in 1971. Thank you.